Remember that the doctors and the students have been protesting in Kolkata for days now, and the Bengal government appears to have bowed down to some of these protesting demands. For one, the transfer order has been revoked of the controversial former principal of RG Kar Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Because remember, right after the incident, rather than hold him accountable or at least hold him responsible for a certain time, he was just transferred to another medical college and hospital, the Calcutta National Medical College and Hospital, which is renowned and reputed in the city, after he had tendered resignation under public pressure. And now that means Manas Bandopadhyay will be the new principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, and he was earlier in Barasat. So there are new names that have surfaced as well, and that's a big news coming in. Remember, because it's clear that the protesting students appear to have said that there is absolutely no way that the same individual either will hold our authority of our hospital or even another one right away. Anupam Mishra joins me on the phone line for the same. Anupam, so there are two aspects here. One, the RG Kar gets a new principal, and then where was Dr. Sandeep Ghosh transferred to? And that also he will not be able to hold off as a supervisor, as a principal.
Exactly, the most controversial move by Mamata Banerjee, and it was criticized by every sector that why Mamata Banerjee had transferred Sandeep Ghosh to a new college, to a different government hospital with the same designation. So right now Mamata Banerjee and students were also demanding that and were questioning Mamata Banerjee on this issue. So right now, she revoked the transfer order of controversial former principal of RG Kar, Sandeep Ghosh, to Calcutta National Medical College, and that it is one of the most prestigious hospitals in Kolkata. And the second thing which Mamata did is that Manas Bandopadhyay will be the new principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, because she has also changed the principal of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. So these are the two things which has been done and which should have been done earlier.
Anupam, thank you for getting us this update. So there is clearly certain public pressure that Mamata Banerjee will have to listen to. It was not easily accepted that the principal, who was facing a lot of charges, was simply transferred after a woman doctor was sexually assaulted and murdered within the premises.